to my channel today. Today I'm going to discuss a very interesting topic for beginners. That is Forex trading strategies for beginners. If you are a beginner, you are warmly welcome into the world of Forex. You are lucky to be in my channel because I have been there for years. I've been training for more than 15 years. I've lost thousands of dollars. I've made thousands of dollars. I make a living as a Forex trader today. So I have the bitter, sweet experience about Forex trading. So once more, you're welcome. Before I advance, I will suggest you subscribe to my channel. Comment where necessary, where you see there's need to comment as this video goes on. Comment. Click on the notification button there so that you will be the part of this growing community. Once more, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to reveal to you things no one will be ready to tell you. No one will be ready to tell you the truth you will learn from me about Forex today. The next thing we have to look at is, top secret behind Forex trading strategy. What is a strategy that is planned? Now, how do you think you can succeed with another man's plan? We all are alive. You have your own plan. I have my own plan in life. The other person has his own plan. Now, you just woke up one day and said, okay, I want to go into a business, but I'm looking for someone's plan to succeed. Just imagine it. Does it work that way? Hardly will it work that way. Now, the reason for that is that every Forex strategy, the developer has some elements that gives him or her the go ahead to develop such strategy. For instance, the developer includes his financial muscle into the strategy. He includes his understanding of the market into the strategy. He includes his own risk tolerance into the markets, into the strategy. You see, the strategy is the abstract character of the trader. So you may not have the financial muscles of the person that created the strategy you are looking for. That is why the strategy that works for Mr. A won't work for Mr. B. Now, let me make it simpler for you as a beginner. If you go online, you will see a lot of people advertising free signals. Some are selling, some are paid signals. Yet, people lose much money. Why? Because the signal provider has the reasons why he or she has seen the market in the direction he thinks the market to move. You that just want the signal don't know the factors behind the strategy, and that is why even with the signal, a lot of people fail. So I hope you started getting understanding of the strategy. So every successful strategy is tied to the owner, to the developer. All you need to do when you're looking to another one's strategy, another person's strategy, is to see if there is anything you can derive from the strategy. Let me give you another example. Can you become a professional car driver by just sitting in front of the car seat, the front seat of the car, while someone drives? Can you become a professional driver? So it can be possible. You can't become a professional driver just by looking at someone else driving. You must be involved. You must understand the way it works. You must know how to change the gear. You must know how to hold the steering before you succeed as a driver yourself. So, if you are searching for a forex trading strategy or that button that you will click to start making money in the forex market, you are highly disappointed with this video because it doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. That is the gospel truth. You are the one to develop a strategy based on your understanding of the market. As a beginner, I want to warn you a very serious warning. Do not make forex trading your primary source of income. Yes, I'm speaking based on experience. Do not make forex trading your primary source of income. You make forex trading a side hustle. A side hustle. Yes, you must have other means of getting money, then and try to multiply it via forex. If you make it your primary source of income, the pressure on you will definitely cost you your money no matter how much you invest in forex. People lose millions, billions of dollars to this forex market you see. This market is structured to make money off you. So you must come with a better understanding of the market if you want to make money from it. So as a beginner, never ever think of making forex your major source of income until you become proficient in it. Now, there are two biggest traps for beginners and one big lie for beginners in the industry. If you understand these traps and the lie, now it will give you an understanding of what you are about doing. One of the lies is that, or one of the biggest trap is the stop loss. By the time you start trading, and let me tell you, as a beginner, the last thing you will think of doing, or the last step of your forex journey is the buy and sell button. This is the last step. But most beginners quickly rush to click buy, sell, and they end up losing their money. That means you must understand all other steps. So you don't use stop loss. It is not called stop loss. It is called stop further loss. That is exactly what it is. So it is a trap for you as a beginner. We, the successful forex traders, a lot of successful forex traders don't use stop loss. Yes, it is called stop further loss. We professionals call it stop further loss because you're already in loss. You are just telling the market, when this loss gets to this level, let me go out of, please take me out of the market. That's all it means. So it is called stop further loss. And for a beginner, you will think it is there for your own benefit. The market will keep hitting your stop further loss or your stop loss until it wipes out your your fund or your capital. I have a video on how to avoid hitting stop loss. At the end of this video, I will include the link on it so that you watch how to avoid stop loss entirely. That is, or stop further loss. That is the first biggest lie. Now, the second biggest lie, sorry, trap is the leverage. They will tell you invest $1 and you have the access of trading $1,000. Now, that meal is not a free meal. That offer is not for your own benefit. The leverage is a double-edged sword. It is designed for professional. You only use leverage when you are sure the market is in is in your fingertip. But as a beginner, if you keep relying on the leverage, then your money will keep going and the broker will keep making money. So what you do as a beginner is your leverage shouldn't be more than 1:10. In fact, if your broker allows 1:1, go for 1:1. Know that this is your money you are trading with. That is the second trap. So the stop loss, you should be mindful of it. The leverage, you should be mindful of it. Now, the biggest lie is that no one controls the market. That is false. This market is being controlled by the big boys, central banks of the world, the money bags of the world. How can someone tell you that nobody controls? In fact, your broker controls the market to the largest extent. So that is why you need to be mindful of the broker you use. They manipulate the platform and speaking based on experience. So that is why you have to be conscious of the brokers you use or a broker you use. Very, very conscious of that. So having known the lies and the trap set for you, how to build winning forex strategy proper. How do you build it? Now that means to build a forex strategy that is at least 80% or 90% successful, you must have an in-depth knowledge of the market. You must master the technical analysis of the market. Yes, 90% of your understanding of the technical analysis should be the basis for your strategy. Now, the fundamental analysis. Why you don't pay much attention to fundamental analysis? That fundamentals don't change easily. The fundamentals of pairs takes 10, 15, 20 years to change. Yes, that means a pair can be in a downward trend for the next 10 years, or a pair can be in an upward trend for the next 10 years, 20 years. So fundamentals hardly change. So if you just get the fundamental of any pair you want to trade, then you know that the fundamentals is for a very long time. But the technical analysis gives you day-to-day activities of the charts, day-to-day activities of other traders like you in the market. So building a winning strategy is to understand the market in your own terms. You must study to understand the market in your own terms. That is just it. If you don't understand the market thoroughly, if you don't understand these things I'm saying, no one strategy will work for you. Are you getting it? Someone else to plan your life for you, is it possible? Or someone else to plan how you make money, will it be possible? No. The only thing you need to know is the principles. Then out of the principles, you create your own forex trading strategy. That is just it. Now, let's look the advanced mentality. Let me bring you back to a different understanding of the market. The forex setup. I'm not talking of forex now. Forex setup. In the forex, we have the big boys, the lion, the tiger, the cheetahs, the crocodile. The crocodile. These are big animals. They eat once, some in 2 weeks, some in 3 weeks. How do they get their prey? They patiently wait. They wait, in fact, to a point, they become motionless until the prey walks to their mouth or to their territory or to a point where they can chase. That is exactly how your mentality should be towards the market. Don't ever come and be trading day to day to day. Tomorrow you'll be trading. No, you will definitely lose out of the market. So you have to have advanced mentality of the market. Patiently wait for the market. I sometimes trade 4 times a month, 5 times a month. But these 4 times a month, I have 95% winning. And let me tell you, even if it is $500 a month, it's far better than losing your 2,000, 10,000, $5,000 monthly or from the fund. So the most important thing is to win. Do whatever you can do to protect your money via risk management. Still in the forest, we have the gazelle, we have other animals, small small animals that goes to eat now and then. You see, they are the prey to the big boys. So once you learn or you have developed the attitude of going into the market now and then, trading up and down, one direction to the other direction, automatically you will be swallowed by the big boys in the market. So you should have an advanced knowledge of the market. You should patiently wait for your time to ripe. If your indicators did not give you what to trade, then you should hold on until you are sure of what to trade. Please, if you're enjoying as a beginner, if I'm being honest with you, if I'm being blunt, if I'm telling you things nobody will tell you, subscribe to my channel. Let's share. Let's move this community to a community of successful traders. Now let me give you my own winning strategy, how I trade my forex. I trade technical indicators or technical analysis professionally. I trade candlestick pattern. Yes, my chart is, you can see, is free from any software-based indicator. It's completely free from any software-based indicator. All I know is the language this chart speaks. I understand the language very well. That is what I trade. Now, after that, I trade only one pair at a time. In fact, my best pair is Euro USD. That is the only pair I trade most times. Most times. I know the pair, how it works perfectly. Now, I trade one direction. Now, let's look at it. Let's look at, I want you to understand Forex like football. Team A and Team B are playing their match or are in tournaments. Notice that Team A will play from right to the left wing for 45 minutes, and Team B will play from left to the right at a time. Imagine when Team A plays both directions. It will no longer be entertaining. In fact, it will be obvious that they are insane. That is how a trader, a forex trader that trades both sides of the market is. You must identify the trend and trade only one direction. And whenever I see the setup like this, like this is a setup. This is a bullish, sorry, a bearish engulfing pattern. As a beginner, you may not understand these things, but I urge you to go and learn your candlestick patterns. Go and study your candlestick patterns. Study the charts. If not, you will lose your money, and I will not be happy seeing you losing money. Take time to understand what I'm saying. So whenever I see my entry point, I wait for confirmation until when it is confirmed that yes, I can strike. That is when I trade. Then my exit point is if what I've seen is nullified or I have made 1 or 2% profit of my money. You see the problem while signals don't work. You don't know the exit point. All the trader will tell you is this is buy, put your stop loss this, put your take profit this way. Why are you buying? Why is your stop loss there? Why is your take profit there? You may not know. Or he or she may not have the time to tell you. All he says is blindly buy or sell. That is why you must understand the market. Now, once you understand the market, if someone gives you a signal, then you can see the signal and do your own analysis based on the signal. That is my own trading strategy. Conclusion, as a reminder, never you make Forex your primary source of income. You will crash, yes, especially as a beginner. Trading is a business, not a come and get money free venture. or not as easy as it is being marketed or advertised. But one thing that is sure is that trading is sure of making you comfortable in life. Not being wealthy as many of them proclaim, or many fake videos you watch. You see those young boys showcasing those fake cars. No, it's not real. You will buy car, you will live normal, you will live a very good life. Being a conservative or a professional forex trader, but not being extravagant as or not being so buoyant as most of you think it is. As a beginner with this, I know you have been told, or I have revealed to you most secrets a lot of people don't know. So please, the first thing you do, or the thing you do, is go and master the market and then create your strategy from it. Obviously, you would succeed as a trader. If you have any question, if you have any input, if you have any observation, please subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and click the notification button. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.